Welcome to Maths with Bob. Today we're looking at solving simple equations. These are ones with fractions, solving simple equations 3. Now the first thing when you have fractions, obviously the idea is to clear the fractions, and you've got to look at the denominators, 5 and 8. And so you actually have to find out what's called the LCM, or the lowest common multiple of those two numbers. And hopefully we can see the LCM of 5 and 8 is actually 40. Okay, so we need to now multiply everything by 40. Okay, multiply everything by 40. Okay, let's bring in the 40s. Here come the 40s. The 40s are coming in. Okay, whoa, let's put that one there. Okay, the 40s are coming in. Here are the 40s. Now what do we do now? Well, hopefully we can see 4 7s are 280. So this one's not too bad. I mean, we know that one's minus 280. We know what's that? 160. Okay, so what about these other ones? 2x over 5 times 40. Now the 40 is actually over 1. We don't normally write it in, but what we are going to do now is we're just going to go, well, 5 into 40 goes 8. Okay, twice 8 is 16. So we hopefully can simplify that term to 16 x's. Okay, let's try that over here. Okay, 8 into 40 goes 5. Okay, 5 5s are 25. So that we can hopefully see that that's now going to be 25x. Okay, so what are we going to do now? Well, we're now in a situation, okay, to do what's called the double swap over. Okay, all the terms are collected on either side, so we now move them across. Okay, so let's have a look. Well, let's move the 25x over. Okay, 25x over. Okay, obviously it becomes a minus 25. Okay, let's move the 280 across. Okay, and that comes back as positive 280. Let's just fix these up. Okay, all right. Now, what happens now? Well, okay, hopefully we can see 16x minus 25x is, okay, hallelujah, minus 9x. And this one obviously is, yes, 440 positive in that case. Then we say, okay, well, okay, therefore x is equal to, you can see here, minus 440 on 9, because we know when we get a positive divided by negative, the answer is negative. Or if you like, as a mixed numeral, minus 48 and 8/9. Okay, well, let's look at a harder example. Okay, well, this is our second example. You can see here it's 2x minus 3 over 4 minus x minus 2 over 3 equals 5x plus 4 over 2 plus 7. Now, this is a much more complicated situation, and we have basically, obviously, we can see here, the LCM of 2, 3, and 4 is 12, so we need to multiply everything by 12. Okay, so now, before we actually multiply everything by 12, in these complicated situations, I like to say, let's bring on the brackets. Okay, hold on. Here comes the bracket. Yeah, so we need, what I always do is just put brackets around everything before we multiply everything by 12. Okay, so this is just, you'll see why in a minute, but basically, when, especially these ones here, so we need to actually put in some brackets. So we just bracket our terms, and then we bring on the 12. Okay, here we go. Let's bring on the 12s. Multiply everything by 12. Right, this is the, okay, so we're multiplying everything by 12. Let's actually move this one. Oh, actually we need to move this one across a bit. Okay, here we go. Multiply this one by 12. So we've got 12 times plus 7. Okay, now, okay, so what do we do now? We're just going to do quickly, let's have a look. What, 4 into 12 goes 3, 3 into 12 goes 4, 2 into 12 goes 6. We need now to multiply these out. So let's have a quick look. 3 2s, what's that? 6x minus 9 minus 4x now becomes, remember, a plus 8 is equal to 6 5s, what, 30x plus 4 6s are 24 plus 7 12s are 84. Now, obviously, we now collect up the like terms, and we should get, what, this side 2x minus 1 is equal to, what's that, just 30x, and then we have, what, 108. Okay, then we should be able to now just move the 1 across, make it 109, move the 30 across, it becomes like, that comes like 2x minus 30x equals 108 plus 1. That gives me what? Minus 28x is equal to 109. And that gives me what? X is equal to minus 109 on 28. Okay. Therefore, eventually, x is equal to minus, I think it worked out to be 3 and 25 over 28. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and bye for now.